Test, testing, test. Testing, one, two, test. Testing, one, two, three, one.
order. We stand for a moment of silence. Roll call.
Delegate Alpert, Delegate Asher, Delegate Fossey,
Present.
Delegate Cantero, Delegate Chur, Delegate Fritz,
I'm here, thank you.
Delegate Ashikuchi, Vice President Isanaka Nervarte, Delegate Canto, Delegate Louis, Delegate Martin, Delegate Mori, present, Delegate Nabayan, Delegate Knight,
Yay.
Delegate Nocket,
Hey, Mike.
Delegate Pausis,
Yes.
Delegate Simon, Delegate Samo,
Here.
Delegate Sikra, here, Delegate Sitan,
Hey, Mike.
Delegate Susaya,
Hey.
Delegate Takasi,
Present.
Floor Leader Yatinman, President Kilian.
Yeah.
Mr. President, we have 22 delegates that are present.
Thank you. We can transact business for the record. Floor Leader Yaton and Delegate Asikuchi are hereby excused. So before we proceed on, I wish to request that Delegate Cantero should be our temporary floor leader for today's session. So moving on, no objection. We move on item 4, that's enough, Chono.
Mr. President, thank
Floor
you.
leader. Thank you.
I apologize for my voice. Mr. President, it continues to be an honor to serve as your temporary floor leader for our convention. As always, I'll give my best and I hope for your patience and guidance. Mr. President, with respect to adoption of journal, may I ask, I move that the convention adopts journal number 10, which I think is in front of you and should have already been reviewed. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. It's been moved and seconded that we adopt the journal for day number 10. And again, I thank you, Delegate Cantero, for your willingness to assume the role as a temporary floor leader for our convention. So we have now the motion at hand to discuss the journal. Any other discussion? If none, all those in favor of the motion say aye. All those opposed say nay. Moving on, communications?
President,
Yes.
I move that we go to item number 7 at the same time.
Okay, it's been moved and seconded that we leapfrog to item number 7. Started, it's been seconded, so discussion of the motion. If no objection, all those in favor of the motion say aye. All those opposed say nay. So now we are on item number 7, so Chairman Sitan,
Mr. President, I ask for short recess.
short recess declared.
Mr. President, I ask
solele yen masalda Ani chaseri o sapo Moki da bali wech panekila Orma kogia ei mulimba Way ban samala O milawa sa do Ganakichon kaweweyong Neita serikoro Kasalel kumay koros Way masalien Igen baki makrem Besocha sabanya Ibilgin berdiye Besocha sabanya Orma we isenamen Gome kaunu Orma kogia ei mulimba Way ban samala O milawa sa do Ganakichon kaweweyong Neita serikoro Kasalel kumay koros Way masalien Ang sombiro Giti ang giti Dong isang imatok May kuwakiyan Kaiten chokuwe aseriko Orma kogia ei mulimba Way ban samala O milawa sa do Ganakichon kaweweyong Neita serikoros Kasalel kumay koros Way masalien Kaiden chogowe aseriko Yo, Miguel, RBY alongside. Just wanna share. What a kid. Bless. Tell me. Boom.
Ilang mas kalaraniaya. Ubirong ilang kisinianga. Ubinilokin ng mata. Keci pinusumara. Upijupekan karos. Opinen keret koro. Opimen pir karos. Hiyaw pensam pa. Ilang mas kalaraniaya. Ubirong ilang kisinianga. Ubinilokin ng mata. Keci pinusumara. Upijupekan karos. Opinen keret koro.
bigada lang o samba Pachigiyang adaba karos Melelang kong iyong ay Karayang ay bangkin na chiyang Bangkinan ti ka ng naman Limpa kong mechikan O karakara Sanggarus kuburan gauno Imagabigada lang o samba Pachigiyang haudaba koros Nilalang kamiyong ay Karayang ay bangkin ng chiyang Bangkinan kikanen naman
Discussing during the break, I move that we defer this standing WO report to tomorrow's comment.
Any second? Still moved and seconded that we defer the discussion on this particular report to tomorrow's calendar. All those in favor, yes, Chairman Sidani, yes. Additional comments?
Yeah, I want to add the reason why I moved this, so,
Go ahead.
that my way of thinking is we should allow delegates to read the reports and understand before we start debating it. This report is came out this morning, I don't think we're all ready to have our attention.
Thank you. I guess this motion is not debatable, so all those in favor of the motion to defer action on this report, say aye. All those opposed say nay. Nay. Motion carried. Moving on, first reading of county proposals.
Mr. President,
Yes.
I move
Chairman
that
Sidat.
the conference will move to agenda item 11.
Any second? Okay, it's been moved and seconded that we move to item number 11, consideration of resolutions. Discussion on that? If none, all those in favor of the motion, say aye. Aye. All those opposed, say nay. Motion carried, so we're now on item 11, consideration of resolutions.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President. If I may, I'd like to move for adoption of Convention Resolution number CC-RES-4-01. I'd like to move for adoption, Mr. President.
Any second? We move and seconded that convention adopts the resolution number CC-RES-4-04. Discussion? Yes. Delegate Susaya.
There is written amendments to the resolution. Copies have been passed to the delegates. I move that we consider and adopt these amendments.
Any second? Still move and seconded that we adopt the amendments of the resolution. I hereby declare short recess. So the amendments to the resolution were distributed as discussed earlier, right, last Saturday. So that copies of those amendments were distributed. So we have copies of those again. Okay.
Mr. President, finally,
Yes,
yeah, I'd like to really
Well, you-
take this chance to really thank Delegate Sisaya for the amendments that he's made. I think these are very relevant amendments. In my view, I think it even makes it stronger. So I'd like to really thank you for being the one to be very detailed in reviewing the resolution. So thank you so much, Delegate Sisaya.
okay, thank you. So we now can go back and dispose of the amendments. Now, session is back to order. We're on the motion by Delegate Susaya, and it was seconded to amend the said resolution as RES-4-04. Yes.
Question.
Question is called for. Is seconded. All those in favor of the motion to start debate, say aye. All those opposed say nay. Motion carried. So now we are on the main motion to amend the amendments as proposed by Delegate Susaya. If not, a discussion. All those in favor of the motion to adopt the resolution as amended, to adopt the amendments. All those in favor say aye. All those opposed say nay. So now the resolutions have been adopted to the main resolution, to the amendments to the resolution. Short recess.
Pagong mechikan o karakara Wegigichay na ranas
Adopted the amendments to the main resolution. Now we have to vote on the resolution as amended. No discussion. All those in favor of the main motion, say aye. All those opposed, say nay. Motion adopted, so we are already adopted the resolution as amended. So we can move back to item 9, since we already from item 11, second reading of committee proposals.
None, Mr. President.
Final reading of proposed constitutional amendments.
None also, Mr. President.
Item 12, introduction and referral of delegate proposals and resolutions.
Please refer to referral sheet number 4-08.
See that referral sheet. So again, if any chairperson, chairman of any of the committees wish to add some of the measures joined the assigned to the committee which are not noted, by all means you can indicate your interest or preference. So moving on, item 13, special orders.
None at the moment, Mr. President.
Miscellaneous business. Does anyone have any miscellaneous business for today? Today is Monday.
Mr.
Yes,
President,
yes, Delegate Parsi.
I would like to
Go ahead.
state my statement before regarding the proposals. And I thank you, Mr. President, with my utmost respect to you, Mr. President, to the Vice President, Law Leader, and the rest of the delegates of this convention. These past few days, as I mentioned earlier, have been very challenging, at the same time very rewarding. Having been amongst great leaders with great minds and also learning from you. I wanted to bring to our attention again some of the concerns that I have been seeing from observing our sessions, committee meetings, and just from speaking with some of you. First,
As mandated by the enabling law, it is the duty of this body to review the entire Constitution and recommend amendments or changes. I understand that delegations and individual delegates have already submitted their proposals, and the committees have reviewed those proposals. However, it is my wish and desire that in the spirit unity, we all collectively review the Constitution together and identify those sections that are no longer relevant and no longer applicable to this nation and especially to the people of the FSM. And then together also submit proposals based on our review. In that same spirit, Mr. President, I wish that there is a way we can work together to consolidate or merge those proposed amendments on similar issues or the same provisions. For example, there are multiple proposals on dual citizenship. While it is within the purview of the committees to review those proposals, I wish that the proposals, including this body, to find a way to consolidate or otherwise compromise to accommodate the different perspectives. This may be a bit difficult, but I fear that taking these proposed amendments on the same issue to the public would only confuse them. On some other matters, Mr. President, I want to recognize Kathleen first as our Chief Legal Counsel. My respect to all, especially those lawyers, attorneys, as esquire in this convention. I request that we respect and recognize her as our Chief Legal Counsel. Followed by that, I would like to request about the budget that is being put before us, that the post-convention item should be changed to final consultation before we sign it out. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Delegate Pasi, for those well-stated statements, and appreciate it, of course. And any other miscellaneous business? Delegate Fritz, your rights, you sorry. Okay. Any miscellaneous business? Delegate Light.
Thank you, Mr. President. Good morning to you, everybody, especially the seafarers sitting in this convention chamber. I would like to share with you and our colleagues two Micronesian metaphors that I believe are very appropriate and relevant to this convention. These metaphors relate to two stars that I believe were used by our ancestors. If I can quote a line from the preamble, these stars were used by our ancestors when man navigated among the stars on rafts and canoes. And these are the same stars that our founding fathers used in creating this nation. The first star is known as, in Judy's language, Onawen, which means straight up or being honest, transparent. On distant shores, it is called Southern Cross. This is the same star, but it takes on different names, depending on their rising and setting, rising in the east and setting in the west. There are 5 stars, but it's the same star, one star. And in this regard, Mr. President, I hope that we will continue to be inspired by these 5 stars. We are a federation of 5 governments, the national government and the 4 state governments. We are the people of the sea, Remata. We are islands under stars. So the second star is called North Star. It's the name of a boat, I gather. But in the Tulis language, it means Vishamoli, or the star that never changes. In indigenous terms, I have been told it's the star for Tulis ladies, because it's a star that is unaged, and it remains beautiful or shining brightly throughout the night till the early morning. That's the Vishamoli, or North Star. It means preservation, commitment. I hope that we will continue to be inspired by the star Vishamoli. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you to Delegate Knights for that reminder. As we are all descendants of those our ancestors who are doing all those, and it's a good reminder. Thank you. All right, any other miscellaneous, any counterpoints or support of the statement made? Yes, sir. Delegate Fritz.
I know that you're always facing that way, so there's a tendency for you to allow my 2 friends there to do a lot of discussion. But you need to look on this side, because the chairman of the CAO, light has been on quite a few times, but you never get to look this side. So when you look around, so you can see the other interested delegates who wish to contribute.
Okay, thank you very much, Delegate Fritz, for that other reminder, and I will try my best. Okay, any other miscellaneous business, Mr. Floor Leader?
Thank you, Mr. President. I want to also thank our delegates for campaigning. It was very good statements. I think it's just a perfect statement to close off this miscellaneous agenda, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Floor Leader. So if no other miscellaneous business, we'll move on to announcements. Does any of the chairperson, chairman of each of the committees have any announcements regarding meetings, hearings, and so forth? Yes, Chairman Abayan. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. President. The meeting for the Committee on Government Structural Function is postponed, cancelled for today, and we will convene on Wednesday at 3:30 in this chamber. Thank you. 3:30 Wednesday in this chamber. Thank you.
Okay, Committee on Government Structure is scheduled to have the meeting on Wednesday at 2:30 here in the chamber. Chairman Abayan. Okay, so we noted, yes, Chairperson Mori.
Thank you, President. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Just announcement that the chief delegation will be having a delegation meeting this evening at the Cliff Hotel Conference Room at 6 p.m. I hope everybody's there. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chairperson Mori. Chief delegation, we have the meeting at 6 o'clock at the Cliff Rainbow Restaurant. Okay, Chairperson Sidra.
Thank you. The Committee on General Provisions will be meeting tomorrow, Tuesday, at 1 o'clock at the committee meeting room. And we will consider proposal numbers 4-03, 4-16, 4-32. We requested some documents, hopefully and lunch will be provided. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Madam Chair. The Committee on General Provision will have that meeting on that day, Tuesday, tomorrow.
Point of information.
Yes,
I
Delegate Fritz.
request the chairperson to speak on promotion again, but all the people are in the snow and catching what might be said.
Are those in the announcement also, written, scheduled, go ahead.
We also have a notice of the public hearing, and we will provide more further details. Proposal number 4-03, 4-16, 4-32, and all those three proposals relate to the reduction of the number of votes required to approve an amendment to the Constitution. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairperson Sigura. The clarification. Any other announcements by any of the chairpersons of the various committees? Okay,
Can I ask for services?
short recess declared.
Who has to start tomorrow? Today I announced that we may have a hearing today based on the information from finance. I would like to move that we delay that hearing till tomorrow at 2:30. So the information should be set up and copied to all delegates for revenues and expenses of national government. And we will prepare a formal notice for the hearing plus the proposals that are supposed to be reviewed, which are connected to the information from finance. So 2:30 tomorrow here in this chamber, so we can prepare the journal. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Sinan. So tomorrow at 2:30, the Committee on Public Finance and Revenue is going to be having a committee meeting here in this chamber, 2:30 tomorrow. Okay, any other announcements by the other committees? Chairman Albert, you have any? Yes, you're okay. Okay, if no other announcements, Mr. Floor Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Observing no filing objection around the room, I move that we go on recess until tomorrow, January 21, 2020 at 10 o'clock.
Any second? Yes, we moved and seconded that we recess until tomorrow at 10 o'clock. If not objection, all those in favor say aye. All those opposed say nay. Motion carried. We stand in recess until tomorrow.
One thing, you know that you can wear full noodle. Did I know full noodle?
Take off your Jimmy. Stand up, Jimmy.